Welcome back to the CompSkill how-to videos. In this clip I want to talk about a really useful paste special feature available in Excel. It's called Paste Transpose. So what I've got here is an example of some student marks, say. So we've got some names across the top in columns B through to E, but it could obviously carry on further. And we've got some subjects down below and the marks for each student and their subjects. So Susie's mark for French was 59, May's mark for Maths was 99. Exactly. So what if you wanted it to change it easily and you wanted the names in the columns and, well, the names to go down the column and the maths, the subjects to go across? So it's really quite easy, probably easier for you because you probably haven't got a dicky mouse, but let's give it a go. I'm going to select the range and just hopefully it behaves itself. There we go. I'm going to Control C or hit the copy. And now I'm just going to select a cell somewhere else just for the sake of being tidy. So we'll select A6. I'm going to go to Paste, the drop down menu and Transpose. And you can see what it's going to look like. So there we go. We go from having the names across to having the names going down. As simple as that. And you can do it for a bigger range, obviously. So now what I would do, and I'm going to lose my heading, but that's okay. Oh, actually, let's just move the heading somewhere else. We'll just pop it down here for the moment. Now I'm just going to go through and delete. Oh, see, there's that dicky mouse. Hopefully, and delete that range and move that up, and then I can move that up as well. Oh no, we're just behaving ourselves. It's called performance anxiety, I think. There we go. So that's it for copy, paste, transpose. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you next time.